Tuesday. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And as you can see, we have, that's right, the November 2019 Variety Fun. So you get a little bit of a sneak peek. So I'm going to tell you about Variety Fun, and then we will get in here and see what is in the November 2019 box. So Variety Fun is a snack subscription, if you did not already know. And they deliver so many different snacks. I mean, chips, cookies, candies, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, nuts, all in one snack box. And they have over 500 different brands that they work with, and I am so excited to now be able to bring this to you monthly. So thank you so much, Variety Fun. Also, they updated my promo code, you guys. Not 20% anymore. You can now get 30% off your first box with the promo code Southern Mom 30. I will make sure to put a link and that down below. And they also have the option for a bi-monthly box. So you can actually get, or bi-weekly. So you can actually get this twice in 1 month, or you can get this, I'm sorry, no, it is bi-monthly or monthly. I have bi-monthly here, but I could have sworn it was actually bi-weekly, so twice a month. But it's $24.99 for the box that I have here, and it has over 40 snacks in it. And how they fit the 40 snacks into this box, I have no idea. I can never get them to go back in there. And then they also have a fit box with healthier snacks, and it is $39.99. Both have free shipping, which is awesome. So let's get in here and see. Like I said, I will definitely put a link down below, as well as that 30% off coupon. I was about to say, I can't find the scissors. So you guys can save 30% on your first box. How awesome is that? All right. Yep, November box. Happy snacking. Hashtag Variety Fun partner. So yes, thank you so much, Variety Fun. I do greatly appreciate it. I am, as it said, a Variety Fun partner, and I love it because I get to bring this to you and share with you guys this awesome subscription. And my husband and my son really love this. And all my son's little buddies. So this is what you see when we open it. Like I said, how they get all this in here, I don't know. I'll never get it back in. But let's just go ahead and start. I see one of my favorite snacks right on top, and that is the veggie straws. I love these. They have these in the sea salt. They have them in ranch, and I believe like a cheddar. They're so good. The sea salt and ranch are my favorite. So there's those. We have some cheese doodles, cheese puffs. We have some bugles. We have some regular Cheez-Its and some white cheddar Cheez-Its. We have some crunchy cheese doodles. We have some buttered popcorn. I am gonna run out of room. We have, oh, Christopher will be excited. We have 2 packs of the Snyder pretzels. Yep, I'm gonna run out of room. We have the Andy Caps. The hot fries. My husband likes those. We have the Reming's Grams cinnamon. We have the Abby cookies, the shortbread. Those are so good. They're one of my favorites. We have the Remy Grams in, oh, you can't see it if I cover it up, in honey. Some goldfish. Yum, yum, yum. The Keebler Elfin crackers. I love these, and what's crazy is you would be surprised at how many are in this bag. There's a lot of these in this little bag. Move some of this. It looks like we have got 2 packs. Again, this is something Christopher will love. The Keebler Fudge Striped Minis. There are 2 of those. We have 2 packs of the Planters salted peanuts. We have some Cheez-It, the Scrabble Junior. Oh, the Scooby-Doo graham cracker snacks. They're really good. Let's see. We have some of the Grandma's vanilla like sandwich cookies. We have 2 peanut butter chocolate chip Quaker chewy bars. And a pack of Oreos. We have some more of the Abby cookies in chocolate chip. The Remy Grahams in chocolates. We have 2 packs of fruit snacks. We have the Grandma's cookies. We have peanut butter. My personal favorite, good old chocolate chip. And chocolate brownie. Yum. And then we have 2 original Pringles, little snack ones, and a sour cream and onion. And still not done, y'all. I'm telling you, they packed these boxes. I saved these because I have not seen these, and we have a couple of them. So let's take a look. Other stuff. I'm actually gonna save one of these out to put in Christopher's book bag for his snack tomorrow. Okay, so then looks like we have 5 of these. What are these? Enlightened Bada Bing Bada Boom. These are 100 calories, sea salt, crunchy broad beans, and they have 7 grams of protein. This is sea salt. These sound interesting. Bold, crunchy, satisfying, our snacks are made from broad beans, aka fava beans, roasted and seasoned to perfection. Tear open a bag of this protein-packed snack and savor the flavor. Sometimes good snacking is just that simple. Bada bing, bada boom. So we have sea salt. They sound really good, actually. Ooh, oh, spicy wasabi. Isn't wasabi already really hot? And you would want to make it spicy wasabi. This is 100 calories as well. They all are, it looks like. Ooh, we have sweet cinnamon. Yum. Oh, garlic and onion. Yes, that's right up my alley. And then the last one is cocoa dusted. That's interesting. I bet those are good. So that, everybody, y'all, my friends, is the Variety Fun box again for November 2019. So I will actually be bringing you the month before the Variety Fun box. So next month in November, I will show you the December box so you will know if you would like to order. And like I said, I will be putting a link down below as well as that promo code for your first box to save 30%, which I think is fantastic because one thing I love about the subscription is it's already a great variety of snacks. And it's over, it's 40 snacks. So you're looking at 50 to 60 cents a snack here, which is really good. And then again, it takes the guesswork out of it for you. So I think that is fantastic, especially if you do have kids, or even if you don't have kids, to pack lunches for you or your significant other, whatever, it makes, like I said, it takes the guesswork out. It brings a good variety to you of sweet snacks, savory snacks, salty snacks, crunchy snacks, chewy snacks, all of that. So it's everything. So I really, again, am so thankful that they have brought me on as a partner, and I can now bring this to you every month. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, because I definitely enjoy sharing and showing with you, especially when we get things like this that are new. I have not heard of these. If you have, let me know. What do you think of them? The, what was it, garlic and onion? Yeah, these are the ones I think I'm really excited for. They sound really good. So again, that link and promo code will be down below, so definitely check them out. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.